Hey guys, just wanted to do a follow-up on Eaglemoss. We got some good news today that Eaglemoss has announced Starships 3 and 4, and they revealed them with photos. I'm going to go ahead and put the photos in the video here when I edit it. So that must mean that number 3 and number 4 are real close to coming out, which is really good. The part 3 is what they're saying, and I'm going to read off here. Is going to be the Corella, and that's the Shepherd class. And I swear, if you flip that upside down, it's the Shinzu. So and with the Discovery nacelles. So let me know what you think in the comments below if you think that that's what that is. And number 4 is showing the Bird of Prey, which I think is what we all had kind of thought anyway. So number 3 and number 4 have been announced, and the photos are now online. Again, I'm going to go ahead and crop those into the video, and of course I'll do an unboxing and a reveal when I get them in. And let me know what you think below. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all those fun things, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.